Hello everyone. Today I am going to cook quinoa and dal chawal khichdi. So to saute this khichdi I have taken one small onion, tomato, curry leaves, fresh ginger leaves and two garlic cloves and one whole fresh red chili. And whole grain spices I have taken mustard seeds, cumin seeds and carom seeds and salt to taste. And this one is yellow and orange dal soaked along with rice in water for 4 to 5 hours. And here is quinoa water soaked for 5-6 hours. And now let us start with the process. Switch on the gas. Let the pressure cooker be heated. And in the meantime, I will just chop this garlic, one red chili. Chili is optional. And one small onion. I have grated. And here our cooker has been heated properly. I am adding purified butter as per your requirement. You can add more or less just to saute onion, garlic and ginger, adding whole grain spices. I have just added cumin seeds, carom seeds, fenugreek seeds and now adding this mustard seeds. They are being sauteed. And they have started spluttering. And now we will add these grated garlic, ginger and onion in this saute. You can hear the sound of spluttering. Now I am going to chop these fresh ginger leaves. I am chopping. Now these fresh ginger leaves I am going to add into this curry. also. Just cover it with the lid. And here one tomato I have taken. I will just make tomato puree. Our onions. They have been sorted properly. Our onion, garlic and ginger. They are golden fried. I am going to add this tomato puree. You can just see the color, beautiful color of this tadka. We'll add little bit water. Just to rinse it, I have added water. Now this water I am going to add into this tadka. We'll add little bit of more salt. Now I'm going to add this quinoa. And now dal chawal I'm going to add. You can just see I have added dal chawal and quinoa, and now we will mix them all together. I'm going to add boiling water into this. If you want to give it a little color, you can add little bit of turmeric powder. I have added. Now this boiling water, I'm going to add triple of the amount of this quinoa, rice and dal. I have just added triple amount of water. If our rice and dal quinoa is 1 cup, we have to add 3 cups of water to make yummy khichdi. And now I am going to cover it with the lid and we will just cook for, after the pressure is made, I will cook for 5 minutes. I have just closed the lid of this pressure cooker. When the steam is made, we have to slow down this flame. In this way, you can just cook your quinoa and dal chawal mixed khichdi, sauteing with onion, garlic, ginger and tomato in purified butter, along with whole grain spices, carom seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds. And I have added fresh ginger leaves also while sauteing onions. In this way, we can make our yummy and nutritious khichdi. these are the curry leaves. I will garnish my cooked khichdi with these curry leaves. जब तक हमारी खिचड़ी बनती है मैं आपको हिंदी में किनोआ और दाल चावल की खिचड़ी बनाने का तरीका हिंदी में बताने की कोशिश करती हूँ। सबसे पहले दाल चावल को जितना कि आपको चाहिए उसको पानी में अच्छी तरह धोकर भिगो दीजिए 4-5 घंटे के लिए, और किनोआ को भी अच्छी तरह धोने के बाद उसको पानी में भिगो दीजिए। उसके बाद हमें अपने दाल चावल और किनोआ की क्वांटिटी के हिसाब से हमें तड़का ऑप्शन यू कैन यूज एनी आप कोई दाल और चावल और किनोआ डालने के बाद उबला हुआ पानी डालना है और फिर कुकर को बंद करके खिचड़ी तैयार हुई है कि नहीं। I have just kept the flame slow so it will take little bit more time to be cooked, and after 3-4 more minutes I will switch off the gas and we'll open the pressure cooker and we'll check whether our khichdi is cooked properly or not. Then we can recook it if it's undone. So let us wait for 2-3 more minutes. That one red chili is too strong. And this way you can cook your meals in very simple and healthy manner. And there is no hard and fast rule to cook any veggies or lentils. You have to just cut and chop your veggies and saute in onion, garlic and ginger. Then and cover it with the lid as per the cooking time of the specific veggie and cook till it's done and serve hot with chapati and rice. That's all. You can cook. And the sorting process, because this is live video without any cutting and editing, and the real cooking time you will come to know the real process of specific dish and real cooking time. And now I am going to switch off. We will open the pressure cooker after 3-4 more minutes. In the meantime, I have just kept the kettle on to boil water. If needed, we can add boiling water. You can just simply serve this khichdi with curd, pickle, lemon and ginger pickle. I have and little bit curd. You can serve with. Do our preparation to serve this khichdi. We will serve with this homemade lemon pickle. This one is ginger pickle. I have homemade ginger pickle. So we will serve it. And now I am going to open this pressure cooker. Check it. It's beautifully done. You can have a look. Our yummy khichdi has been made. I will just cover it for 1 more minute and then I will dish out. And just sprinkle little bit of black pepper and cumin powder on top of this. Now going to serve into this bowl our yummy quinoa and dal chawal mixed khichdi. And on top of this you can add little bit more desi ghee, purified butter. And I will garnish it with fresh curry leaves. Our yummy and nutritious quinoa dal chawal khichdi is ready to be served with curd and ginger and lemon pickle. You can have it, that's optional. You can have it with curd or any pickle of your choice. Our yummy and nutritious simple meal of the day is ready to relish. That's all. Thanks for watching. And bye. See you in my next live video.